Hello everyone, welcome back to your class. I hope all of you are safe and secure at your home and are regularly studying your things. Today we are going to learn about our new topic, which is about the real purpose of education. Why we get education, why we come to school, what is the real purpose behind that? You tell me first of all, why you come to school? The obvious answer will be to get education, right? To get educated over there. But education, the real purpose of education is far more than that. What is that very purpose? Why we try to get educated, I can say. The real purpose is to make up your minds, not only your careers over there. Education help us to form our entire, we can say, our entire future as well as our entire character. How we as a human being will be able to develop among with the society also, I can say, and among all others over there in the society. That very basic things, that how a person should be, that entire criteria is what education gives us. It doesn't only means to learn and study simple facts or the different informations over there and keeping those informations in our mind, but it is far more than that. Not only just to make up your careers so that after getting educated you will be able to get or find a good job over there or means to earn your livelihoods over there, but far more than that. It helps you in different ways. So in this very video we are going to learn those very different ways in which education helps us. First of all, we come to school, right, to get educated over there, to have a better life ahead after getting the education over there. But with that very thing, it is no doubt an important aspect to get knowledge over there, learning about different things which exist. But more than that, what it helps us to have a thirst for the knowledge. A very educated person, education will generate a thirst for the knowledge over there. A person who is well educated over there, he would never say that now I would not learn this new things over there, because education is a long process over there. In every single day, we learn to so many different things. We can't claim that I have learned all the entire things of the entire universe over there. Every single day we will learn something new, and that very thirst of knowledge will be in the educated person. He will desire to have more knowledge day by day, every single day, and this very thirst of knowledge makes an education a lifelong process. With this very thirst of knowledge, person is also able to go from knowledge to the wisdom itself. What is the difference between knowledge and wisdom? Knowledge means having the idea of mere ideas, facts or the figures which will help us to know the world and its creature. But what wisdom is? Wisdom is ability to see and judge whether what things are the right or which are the things that are wrong. The difference between whether it is the correct thing which I am doing or not, that is your wisdom. So knowledge also helps us to go from knowledge to wisdom. If a person is educated over there, and he is having more thirst for the knowledge over there, he will likewise go from another steps to the wisdom over there. Then it also helps us in character formation. When a knowledge and wisdom, both the things work together over there, one person will be able to form a good character over there. And with these very all things, he will have a courageous approach towards the entire world. He will face all the difficulties also, different challenges also with courage. He will not be demotivated with all the things over there. Rather than that, with all these things, he will be more motivated and more determined to achieve success in his or her own life over there. And with education over there, with the knowledge over there, he will be also socially responsible. He would know that this is my responsibility, this is my part to play in the entire social status over there, in the society over there, so I have to do this. An educated person will always be socially responsible over there. So thus the real purpose of education is not only getting good marks over there and getting a good job after studying up, it is to have entire formation of human beings over there, their character formation, every single thing. So this was the real purpose of education, which is that is to make up your minds, not only your careers over there. The holistic development, we can all say that. So what is your homework over there? you have to read this very chapter thoroughly, and then you have to find out the answers of the extra questions which I am going to give you. See this, what is the real purpose of education? What it will be, you have to go through the chapter and find it. Then how an educated person is socially responsible, how that person can play his part equally in the society. Then you have to also find out the blanks answer. The true purpose of education is to make minds not blank. And the last one is, an educated person will have thirst for blank. Go through the chapter, find these exercises, as well as you have to solve your exercise questions and the blanks also. And with that, you have to write for the prayer for world peace over there. With all these very things, you have to write it in your notebook over there and revise the chapter once again. Thank you.